Hello, hello. Today we will be making a cat. Yes, we are going to make a cat today. But do you know how it looks? Oh wow, we see a beautiful cat stretching right here. So let's see all the 4 steps and start making our cat. Let's start with the first step, which is making a very big circle for the face. You know how to make a circle by now, right? Making a C and making another C but the other way round. After that, let's make this curve and then start by making the tail curve. Once we are done with that, we can make another circle at the back. This is the part wherein 2 legs are being made below it. So let's make this and then make the bottom part joining it with a curve. Let's make the front legs which are stretching. And now we can start by making the body and the face. Well, if you're not comfortable erasing the circle, then you can start making the face right inside it. Let's start by making the face and then the ears. And after that, let's make these beautiful legs. Once we are done with it, let's make the tail. This looks very interesting. After that, we will make the legs which are being stretched ahead. And then continue making the facial features. Well, make sure that you make all the facial features very carefully, as they are very intricate and they describe a beautiful face of our cat. This looks lovely. Make the body of the cat now. Yes, wherein the back portion is being lifted up. And then we will make the legs right here. This looks beautiful. Let's make the stretched part and then the legs. Continue making intricate details for the ears. That's lovely. This looks beautiful. Continue making the fine details right here. And then let's erase all of these overlapping parts. After which, we will start making these straps which are on her body. Try making exactly like how it's in our picture. That's interesting. Go ahead with the tail now. And then make these strips right here. That's interesting. Well, our cat is done. All we have to do next is start sketching this. Can we sketch this with a black sketch pen? Well then, let's go. We will sketch right on top of the pencil marks and complete the entire cat. Try and not make a mistake so that we don't have to get rid of the sketch pen marks. It is going to be very difficult for us to erase the sketch pen marks. Complete the entire picture in a similar way. Let's erase all the pencil marks now. And then start coloring this. Well, at first we will take ochre color and start coloring right here. Not to worry if you do not have the exact same shade. All you have to do is take a shade closer to the one mentioned in the book and start coloring. If you notice, we have started with the body of our cat. So, we will not color the design which is there on its body and rather color the entire body. Go very slow while coloring on top of its face. Avoid the ones wherein we have to keep it either light yellow or white. And then do the ears slowly. That's brilliant. After that, let's take pale yellow or a very light yellow color and do it on these parts. It looks a little off-white and hence we will use yellow for this. If you wish to, you can also keep it white in color. Yellow will look a little more interesting, hence we are using this pale yellow color. After that, let's take pink color and do this part. This looks beautiful. And finally, let's take dark brown color and start doing it in this design. That looks interesting, isn't it? Complete the entire design in a similar way. Yes, they are very small, so we need to make sure that we go right inside the pencil marks. And look at that! Our cat is ready! We can just give a beautiful outline of the eye with blue color. That's lovely!